Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 of programming JavaScript, the JavaScript operators. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. The application itself called Sublime Text. We can have other text editors if we require to, but now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, and then open up the application. And now we should have the preloaded coding from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for index.html, and then come back to this tutorial. And now we are ready to increase the size of the Sublime Text Edit file. And now we can work on the JavaScript operators. So we can bring back the code we canceled out in the previous tutorials, and then start to edit. So declare X, give X and Y a value, and then make that equal to Z, and then print that out on screen. So change X to Z. You'll see why in a moment. Command S to save. We need to assign the value of 6 to X and 7 to Y, and then assign the value of X plus Y equals Z, and then print all this out on screen. So we have a couple of operators such as the assignment, adding, multiplying, exponentiation, division, modulus, increment, decrement. We can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube channel, Tutorials, JavaScript, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder for the moment, likewise with Sublime Text. And now we can work on the different types of operators. So if we change the value of X to about 30 and Y to 5, Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and what do we have? The value is 35. Now we can use subtraction, X minus Y, that will give us 25. Go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, X divided by Y, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and what do we have? Number 6. We also have JavaScript assignment operators, which will be explained in the near future in different tutorials. Stay tuned for that. We have string operators, strings and numbers. We also have comparison operators, which will be explained in a greater depth in the near future. Logical operators, type operators, bitwise operators. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.